This video will show you how to pass the conjugations practice. The best way to study for this is memorize the chart that's posted on the Latin 2 Google site that has all the verbs separated out by conjugation. The first verb we see is video. Anytime you see a verb ending in EO, this will be very easy because it is automatically second. All verbs that end in EO will be second. Occupo. This is tough because verbs ending in O can either be first or third. You have to remember that this is first ari, avi, atus. Again, the chart on the Latin 2 Google site will help you memorize that. Spend a lot of time knowing which ones are first and which ones are third. The rest you should be able to figure out. Tenio, again, EO, really easy. It's going to be second. Propero is one that we remember that is first. Rimanio, again, EO tells us it's second. Permoio, again, EO, second. Do, remember this is first. It's do, dari, dedi, datus. Even though the third principal part is irregular, it's still O, ARE, making it first conjugation. Invenio. Most IOs will be third IO. So if you're going to guess third IO. However, know the fourth conjugations. Venio and invenio are fourth. Audio, munio, impedio, and expedio are all fourth. So this is invenio, which is fourth. Disceto. Recognize that this is a compound of keto. Keto is third. Sometimes if you know your compounds, it will make things a little easier. Now nuntio, again, if you were guessing, you'd guess third IO. It's not one of the fourth that I mentioned. However, this is the only first conjugation verb that ends in IO. So no, nuntio is going to be first conjugation. That is one of your tricks that you have to know. Laudo is one of the first conjugations we learned. Vulnero is also first, ari, avi, atus. Docio, easy, it's EO, all EOs are second. Conficio is a compound of facio. Again, most IOs will be third IO. Reduco is a compound of duco, which is a third. Vivo is a third. Vivo, vivere, vixi, victus. Laboro, ari, avi, atus, is first. Conficio is a compound of facio, which makes it third IO. Submito, compound of mito, another classic third. Remoio, again, really easy. If it's EO, it's second. And scribo is another classic third. And that is how you pass the conjugation CP.